Hello guys, this is Rahul here. Today I would like to give you a hands-on on my device, that is Mi3. So as you can see, it has got a beautiful lock screen. Not only can it unlock the device, but you can actually directly go from the lock screen to messaging, to phone, or to the camera. So that is pretty neat. So I'll just unlock the device for now. So once you are inside, you can see that the navigation is pretty smooth, very smooth indeed, and it has got beautiful icons, nice, and beautiful task manager wherein you can clean the running task. You can see that when I clicked on the brush icon, all the running tasks closed except the Play Store. So that is because this Play Store task is actually locked. So you can unlock it by sliding it down, and if you want to lock it again, just slide it down again and release it. It is locked. So that is how I unlocked it again and then tapped on the brush icon. It is cleaned. And now the messaging app. This also has a pretty neat feature, that is, if you just keep on sliding down, it will actually take you to the private messaging setting. Just tap on it, and here you can actually just ask for required password, type it again or set it again, just confirm on it, and now you can actually add private contacts from your either you can enter the phone number or select it from contacts. So what will happen is, whenever a message is coming from that private contact, it will just be visible as a message has come, but it will not show who has sent the message. So that is a pretty neat feature. And second thing is about notifications, and that is also pretty neat. So notifications and toggles. So we go to more, and here actually in notifications you can actually set show connection speed. Here on the top you can see what is the connection speed. So actually I am not doing any internet activity, so the exchange is 0. Also you can show data usage info, so that you can actually see here. You can go to this one, 51 MB, and if you tap on it you can get the details of it. Okay, third thing that I like about this device is about the battery indicator. So if you go to battery, so there are several different display options, indicator options. What I like about it is just at the top bar, so you can see on the top the battery indicator is showing as green. So I like it very much. It's a pretty good looking device battery indicator. And another thing that I like about this device is its themes app. So basically you can theme almost anything. If you click on these components, you can see that you can theme the lock style, the lock screen, icons, home screen, ringtones, notifications, alarms, fonts. So these themes apps is basically very powerful. So using this themes app, actually you can basically change the complete look of your device. You can see that I have a lot of themes downloaded and installed on my device, as I'm very fond of customizing my Mi3. So pretty neat. Thank you guys, hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe. See you, bye bye for now.